tests will help us get ready for the future tests during the fall, where we will be doing further mobility testing for VIPER to understand the rover's performance in terms of how well the rover can traverse simulated lunar soil, how well it can overcome obstacles like rocks. And Slope is the ideal location for this type of mobility test. It's a world-class facility.
We have a really well-characterized soil. We have unique capability that it's indoors and we can control the environment very well. The tilt bed on the slope itself is very well controlled. We've recently added software upgrades and advanced our optical tracking system quite a bit. We installed a 16-camera infrared tracking system, which allow us in the software to identify individual pieces of the vehicle, which we can track in real time.
It has been challenging to work through this pandemic, but this pandemic has also brought opportunities to look and understand and learn how we can keep highly performing and engaging teams.
We encountered procurement delays, COVID delays, snow delays, and we still pulled it off and made it happen, and it was a huge team effort to get here.
VIPER is a rover of many firsts. The first NASA's rover to map water resources, and it's the first rover to wear a headlight. For many, many years, I was dreaming about joining NASA and sending big rovers to Mars and other places in the solar system. So that dream came through last year when I joined NASA Glenn to lead and manage projects for future missions to Mars. And I love Mars, but I also love the Moon and the Artemis mission.